Hey everybody, there's a brand new package out from Ford and we're about to give you all the details, so get ready for the breakdown on the brand new Ford Ranger FX2. If you're familiar with Ford, you've probably heard of the FX4 package. You can see it here on a Ranger that I recently tested. Well, this new Ranger FX2 is basically the FX4 package, but for two-wheel drive trucks. So just like with the four-wheel drive version, every Ranger FX2 will get a set of off-road tires, in this case Hankook Dynapro ATMs, specially off-road tuned suspension, a front underbody skid plate, Ford's off-road screen in the instrument cluster, and an electronic locking rear differential. Now 17-inch wheels come as standard on the FX2, though 18-inch wheels can be had. Ford says that the FX2 package is for the customer who wants some of that off-road styling and could use some upgraded tires and a locking differential, but still do not need four-wheel drive. And the big advantage of FX2 over FX4, well, it's way cheaper. If you go for the FX4 off-road package, you have to spend $1,295 on a Ranger. But this truck right here, the new Ranger FX2, well, the package only costs $595. So if you don't need four-wheel drive, FX2 is a pretty great way to get all-terrain tires and a locker for just about $600. When you look at the competition, this move by Ford also makes perfect sense. At Toyota, you can get the Tacoma TRD off-road in just rear-wheel drive, while over at General Motors, you can get the Chevrolet Colorado Z71 also with just rear-wheel drive, and all of these trucks bring along very similar upgrades, those being a locking rear differential, though at Toyota it's a limited slip that uses traction control to lock the rear, but it does act like a locker. You also get some protection and all-terrain tires along with different wheels and some styling cues. So Ford with the FX2 package is just sort of joining the ranks of off-road two-wheel drive mid-sized pickups. So that's it for this news video, guys. Make sure you go below, leave a comment, let me know, what do you think about the new Ranger FX2 package? And as always, hit like, hit subscribe, and then come back to the channel for the latest news, views, and real-world reviews. See ya.